Hey everybody, Pop Casey coming to you. I just wanted to come to you and talk to you just for a few minutes today. It's been a while since I made a video, and everybody seems to like the how-to videos. And so today I'm working on a little tiny mini fishing reel, and it has got some string wound up inside inside it. So sorry about the traffic noise. I'm out here on my front porch, but anyway, we're gonna have to take this apart and see if we can't get that string out from behind there. So come along with me and we'll see if we can't get this thing apart. Hey, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. It don't cost you anything. And if you've not watched this channel before, we got a lot of different things on here, different content. I urge you to go ahead and watch it. If you like it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And I appreciate that. That really helps the channel out a lot. So if you could do that, I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, let's get into taking this thing apart. Let me see if I can get this thing down to where I'm working on it now. There we go. Now them screws are so small, I don't have a little tiny Phillips screwdriver. But I know the point of this paring knife works. See there, it works good. I really don't want to take them out all the way, but I'm gonna have to, I guess, to get that cap out. Let's see if we can get over here just a little bit. Well, the camera's not wanting to cooperate. More so the stand. What doesn't help is I shake real bad, so that doesn't help matters any. Get these screws out of here, and there's one more. It's just a cheap little old reel. The rod that it goes to when fully extended is only 38 inches long, but when it's not extended, it's 8 inches long. I'll show it to you here in just a minute. Let's see if we can't get this cover off here. Hope y'all can see what I'm working on. There we go. Oh yeah, look there, see all that line wound up inside there? There we go. Look at all that line. Now let's put this thing back together. I think that got it. Yeah, there we go. Get these screws back in there now. Uh-oh. Use this fancy screwdriver. Bet you can't find a screwdriver that looks like that in your local hardware store. Okay, this one here had that little clip on top. Well, like I said, it don't help when you shake so bad like I do. Hard to hit them little screws. Now we're not going to tighten that one up all the way. I got plans for that. This one here don't look right. That hole. Something about that hole just don't look right to me. There we go. Alright, can y'all see that? Alright, that's good enough. Alright, now, yeah, it spins free now. It wouldn't spin free before. Alright, yeah. I'm happy about that. Alright. Now let's put the drag back in. Yep, that's working the way it's supposed to. There we go. There we go, it's working good now. All right. Now let's put the crank back on. And we're gonna have to do something different with that crank. Let's see what's here. There we go. I hope y'all can see what I'm working on here now. Let's back this drag off. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's working good. Well, it's got a stopping point in there. I gotta figure out what's making that stopping point. That's the brake. See, it's coming up on a stop right there. You go past, just back it up a little bit, and it goes some more. I don't know. I mean, it was only $10. I think what I need to do is take this brake off here, in all honesty. But I don't want to take it all apart to take that brake off. Huh. Well, you know what? Let's do it. We were there once. Let's do it again. Set that down there. Get our screwdriver out. Take these screws back out. How's everybody doing? You been doing all right? You know, the weather's starting to get pretty. It's fishing weather. Now this fishing pole here ain't something that you want to use all the time. This is a novelty pole. This is just a novelty pole. Oops. Okay. Well, there was some plastic in there. That might have been a difference. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I see what the problem is. It's not the brake, but the gear inside. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got a tooth that's bent, broke off and bent over in there. It's right on top. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is so small. But let's see if we can't do something about that. See it right? Let's see, right there. See that one right there is broke? Some of the other ones are kind of messed up too. Alright, let's do this right here. We're gonna have to do it, folks. Much as I hate to. We're going to take it apart, take it off. Okay. There, maybe you can see it now. Here, let me get it up here. Okay, it's right on top. Right there. See how that's bent over? And this is a metal gear. Yeah, this is metal. So, where that bent, that's where it was stopping at, right there. And it was causing it to stop. So let's see if we can't straighten it or do something with it. Okay. Okay. There it is. It came out. Can you see that right there? I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's that little tiny tooth that was broke off. Huh. Now let's check this gear out. Inside here, It looks good. It looks worn. And this thing's brand new. But it doesn't look like it's hindered any. So, let's put this thing back together again. All right, this goes in first. Well, my fingers won't fit in there. There we go. Got her in, got her pointed in the hole. Let's hold that on there. And let's put this cap on there so it won't fall out. I'm gonna leave that crank off for right now because it's kind of in the way. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's put this barrel back in there. Seems to be turning fine. Now let's put this thing back together. See if I'm missing anything. Line these holes up. Snap diddly do. There we go, holes lined up. Put these little dinky screws back in here again. Let's see. Before I get too far going on that one, let's run another one in there. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. When I stick my finger over the hole like that, all I'm doing is steadying that my screwdriver because I shape. This one here acts like it's cross-threaded. There we go. Well, it ain't gonna go in there anymore, I don't guess. Not without forcing it, and I don't want to do that. There we go. Alright, I don't guess it's going to hurt anything. Now let's put this back in there, the drag. school bus. There we go. Well, school's out. All right, now let's see how this thing's working. Oh, just like a brand new one, except for it gets to that little spot and it catches just a little bit every once in a while. But there we go. But it's that one tooth. That's that one tooth. All right. All right, now let's try and wind some line on this baby. Okay, we've got our line. This is a 15-pound test, and which is pretty heavy for this little tiny reel, but we're not going to put much on it. All right, what we're going to do, if you can look up in there and see that little tiny nub, we're going to make a slip knot and put on that little tiny nub to wind this thing up on there. So let's make us a slip knot. Just like that. Now, make it a little smaller. That was the EMS supervisor. Okay, we got that there. Now we gotta get rid of this extra piece right here. But before we do, we're gonna tie it into a little knot so that doesn't come undone down there. Can y'all see what I'm doing? There we go. All right, now let's get rid of that extra piece. Okay, I'm going to hold this off to the side, and I'm just going to touch this with a little bit of flame. There we go. There we go. Now, let's reel some line on it. This is actually the hardest part right here with this little reel. So let's reel it on. Let's see here, the best way to hold this thing. Because you got to keep just a little bit of tension on there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put it on the pole. Billy, I'm sorry, bud. Yeah, I know. Hey, I had to do my own. That is not fun. Yep. All right. See here's the pole. I mean, just a little dinky thing, and it's got a cap that goes over it like a pin. And this comes out, and it's only 38 inches long. But anyway, let's put the reel on there. What I was talking about was the neighbor's dog got hit by a car the other night, and it had too many broken bones to save the dog. He had to put it down. He said that was the hardest thing he's ever done in his life. I understand, because I had to do mine, and I did mine by myself, and it was really hard. Okay. Just a minute here. Let's get this out here, because I gotta have something to hold on to. There we go. That's better. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing here. I got my finger tangled up in the line. In the line. Oh, that song's In the Pines, In the Pines. We're not gonna put much more line on it, because it just don't need much more. So we're gonna call that good right there. Well, let's put a little bit more on it. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Now, fastest way to cut that stuff with fire. Now we got to find something to tie on there so it won't come off. Oh, I know what we can put on there. Let's back it out just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna make us another slip knot. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I like those slip knots. They work well. If you can get them to cooperate. There we go. There we go. We got it to cooperate. Now, hold tight. This is a fire starter. See these fire starters? We're going to put that in there and pull her tight. And then we'll wind her up on there. Pull that end out of there. There we go. Now let's set the drag good and tight so it won't come undone. And it's done. Now we can put this away. Put this down in there. And it goes just like that. Now you got to take this reel off to put the cap on. But other than that, there, we got her fixed. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let's see if I can show you how long this thing is. That's it. There's the end. Right there. Now let's go across my window here. About as wide as my window is. So, give you an idea. It's not very big. It's made for the glove box. You know, it's more of a novelty item than anything, but I think that'll work, and I think my friend is going to be very happy with it. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget, if you like these type of videos, leave us a comment down below, and we'll be glad, and we'll get some more. But in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day, and remember, keep Jesus first. Thank you. Bye-bye.